Good morning and welcome to another of Tim's Tech Talk videos here at Venom Motorsports. So today we're having a look at chain adjustments, and we want to try and get an idea as to how we can adjust the tension in the drivetrain on our x22. So in order to adjust the train, the first thing we want to have an idea is in terms of what should it look like normally. So when the chain is properly tensioned, you can have a look down here and you'll see that by applying a minimal amount of force sort of in the center of the chain will deflect, let's say about 5 to possibly 8 millimeters. So that's just a wee bit of deflection. And you'll notice I'm using one finger on it and I'm just giving it a little upward push. But this gives you an idea, a visual representation of what you should expect to see, about that much deflection. If you like, you can also see it from the top. Exact same amount, and you'll notice again a 5 to maybe 8 millimeter deflection, meaning difference between applying force and not applying force. That's the amount of tension that you should see in the chain. Question is, how do you get there? So if you're going to adjust the chain tension, these are the tension adjusters that you'll see right back here on both the right hand side and the left side. Now, in order to adjust the chain, the very first thing you need to do is to back off the lock washer, then back off this second nut that you see here. So this first nut is just a lock nut holding everything nice and tight. You want to crack that, back this off, so that now you've got a little bit of wiggle room. You'll do the same thing on this point. So again, you're just cracking these off so that you can adjust them. Then you want to back off on this large nut here, which will allow you to actually move the tire back in front. So once you've got this nut cracked, the other side's cracked, so that the tire can actually move, you're then going to rotate this nut clockwise to pull the tire back and increase the tension on the chain. You're going to do this on the left side and on the right side, and the key is to ensure that if you snug up here by 1/2 rotation, do the same on the other side so that the tire comes back nice and even and sits exactly in the center of the rear forks. Hope you found that informational. Have yourselves a great day. Enjoy the ride, my friends. Bye-bye.